Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Golf. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.